Welcome everybody to the final lesson in our course. You made it all the way through. Fantastic. Congratulations for all of your hard work. I hope that you get an opportunity to take a breath and celebrate. But just before we finish, we're just going to spend some time reflecting on the experience of learning that you've gone through, reflecting on your professional growth. It's such a vital thing to do, isn't it, when we're going through professional learning, is to stop and slow down and pause and reflect and think about what is it that's making the biggest difference for me? How am I changing? What's resonating with me? And we're going to do that in this lesson. 9.2. We're going to return to our KWL chart. Don't forget that stands for KWL stands for what we know, what we want to learn, what we have learned. And obviously now we're at the very end of our course. I hope there's lots of things that you can capture that you feel has been really clear in your mind about how you're going to approach your work with your students and how you're going to shift some of your work from a teacher-centric approach to something that's much more focused on how we can support students to be at the center. These are our 3 questions. Let me just give you some really clear instructions about what you've got to do. You're going to spend about 20 minutes on this task to find your previous versions. Spend about 20 minutes or so looking at the final 2 sections here, add any new questions to the want to learn part, maybe where you're going to go next after this course, what you want to spend a bit more time on, and also write down those things that you think that you've learned. And then the last thing really is just to complete any of the course feedback that are being shared as well. I'm sure there's opportunities for you to find the course feedback survey, which you're going to be able to share back to the team as we try to improve these learning opportunities and we try to improve our professional learning courses that we create. This is your final reflection and course feedback activity, and it's going to give you the opportunity to do that final reflection on what you've learned and also share some feedback. We spend about 20 minutes on this task, and just to finish up here, just to say thank you, True. Thank you for participating in the course. It's been great to have you all the way through. I've really enjoyed having the opportunity to contribute to your professional learning. My business is called Dialogic Learning, and it's all about creating spaces for dialogue to flourish. And I think that hopefully you can find some space to talk to your colleagues about what you've learned, find some opportunities to learn from each other as well. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what projects you've created and some of the impact on your students back in your classroom. Thank you very much again, and hopefully I'll see you again soon in the future.